So this is where it snapped. We used this ladder from everything from framing to bringing up shingles. Held up pretty strong. Didn't have any issues there until I brought it home. This is the clip you're seeing of my original one that I purchased from the company off Amazon. I had an issue with it. You'll be seeing later on in the video. And the company got to me right away. Just came in the mail 2 days after the fact. I complained about breaking the other one. Basically what I snapped was this. But now it should be okay. Considering I won't put weight on it going sideways. Basic operations of this ladder. This is what broke on me last time. I caution you, do not lean the ladder on a side like that. Do not try to tilt it side to side because you will snap this clean in half. How you open these, you just push the little screw and collapse it open. Again, now for these, you want to close it with the bottom rails. Keep your hands away from it. You're going to have to put this down for a minute. Pretty simple. As you extend up, they lock into place one by one. It will not fully lock until you see how it's red here. See, even though it's up another half step, that's not locked. So that's not really trustworthy. How you fix that is you just bring it up another couple levels. I have used this past the do not stand up on above. What's that say? Do not stand on or above this rug. You will lose your balance. It's not that bad. As long as you're holding on to something, you can use that as your last step, pretty much. And simple, once again, just a little tap, and there she collapses. Pretty sweet ladder. Again, my initial one broke right here within, I'd say, when I brought it home, not even at the job site. Just screwing around at home and it broke. At the job site it was pretty good, but now I learned do not try and tilt it sideways. If you try adjusting it side to side, it will snap here. If they make these out of metal, eventually it'll be pretty good ladder, pretty flawless. Other than that, it does happen to give a little bit of a flex once you're up, I'd say 6 feet. If you have it fully extended, it will flex a little bit. But again, we were bringing shingles up and down, a bundle of shingles, and it held pretty damn strong. So no complaints there. All in all, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'm going to give it a crack. Ohuhu. No idea. Ohuhu. No idea. But definitely worth the money, especially with the return policy that they had. Well worth it. Also, I have the customer's house that I used this at asked me where I got it, and I advised him to go to Amazon. He was extremely happy with seeing it and how it's telescopic and doesn't take up too much space. So he purchased his own also after just viewing me use it. So not a complete recommendation, but for around the house, completely good. Heavy duty construction does good, but you cannot I repeat, you cannot twist it sideways, side to side. Trying to adjust its height will not work. Again, big thanks to the company for sending out another one. They got back in touch with me within 2 days. No issues there. Now I got 2 of these babies. Thank you.